Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another reaction video with me. Hey. So I'm back again, guys, with another reaction video to the group CNCO. And basically this is an up-close challenge with the dudes. So I can't wait to see them.
Deezer! Hope you like it. Hope you like it.
Oh. Go back to the beginning because I missed something.
CNCO! Yeah. There's the up-close challenge on Deezer! Hope you like it. Hope you like it. Quisiera ser un mosquito para entrar en tu mosquitero y decirte bien bajito lo mucho que te quiero.
One thing I would say about CNCO, Joel's friend, one of his friend that he's always on TikTok with, watched one or two of my stories a couple times and liked few of my stuff a couple times. I want to say thank you to that. So thanks to a lot of Joel fans as well. Well, a lot of CNC owners. Thank you so much, you guys, for the recommendations and stuff. I really do say that over and over, especially Joel fans, because some of his friends watch some of my stories on Instagram and like some of them. So thank you. Miami.
You have a band-aid because
I really do like Mexicans. I can't wait to go to Mexico. Alright. But Eric, there was a fan who's a fan for CNCO, but he's really do like Eric. Hopefully he's seen my video. I think it's like 16, 17 years old. So we always talk about something CNCO. He always keep me up to date with the groups are doing. I went back to message him like, hey, what's up? I haven't heard from you. Everything is okay. And he said Instagrammer. So most likely the account was deleted. So, hey, hope you're still out there. Hi. Oh, that shoes is so white.
Ayer pasé por tu casa y tu perro me ladró. Y yo le dije a tu perro que tu novio soy yo.
Oh, this is old. Oh, poor Zabdiel.
Disculpa, ¿te puedo robar unos segundos de tu tiempo? Gracias.
Oh, baby daddy Richard. Oh, and he's wearing Timberland.
Yeah, baby. Does it feel hurt? Because you've been running through my mind all day.
That was so awkward, bro. Y esto fue la Close Challenge con CNCO, así que comenta tu favorito.
Yo soy como que yo. Obviamente.
We did a takeover on Latin Music Channel, so check out our self-titled album on
Deezer.
Yeah,
Check it out. Check it out. Hope you like it.
So that was up close challenge with the group CNCO. As you guys can see, this is an older video. Thanks to the one who recommended me to react to this. I really appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.